Let's get this cold start. Cold start! What is good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It is your boy Eddie, aka Inzane. Right now he's in the booth, bro. We're actually gonna go meet up with the boy George right now, Big G with the M340i. And since the last time we've seen him, he actually has a little upgrade done to it. I have yet to see it in person. He sent me pictures and everything like that, but so we're gonna see that right now when we go see him. But I hope you guys are all having a beautiful, amazing day. Make sure y'all hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and be part of the family. And damn, there's a beautiful Rolls Royce Cullinan right behind me. Holy, look at this. Let's see if you guys can see it from the back. Look, dude, look at this thing that's coming right now. Bro, this thing is beautiful, bro. I love to daily Cullinan. I don't know what we're gonna get into today, guys. I just felt like picking up the camera, vlogging, the car wash, and everything like that. And you know, if anything comes up, you know, I will record and document it all. So if you guys are huge on baseball, Dodgers won the first game yesterday, and that game was insane, bro. Freddie Freeman with the grand slam. Crazy ass game, bro. And there's another game today as well, back-to-back games, so should be another dope game. Hopefully Dodgers take the easy dub again. Wasn't easy last time, but you know what I mean. Bro, it's such a good day. Like, I was just cruising right now and I'm like realizing, bro, it's such a beautiful day. It's like real chill, not that windy either, except for the fact that like I'm a little sick. I'm coming off of like a cold right now. As soon as I got back from Seattle, bro, like the next day I started getting sick. My nose was like hella congested. It still is right now. I can feel it. Beautiful day, bro. And I brought the Insta360, so we are gonna put this and strap it up to the back in a bit right now when I get to the homie George's. I will strap that up and yeah, get some dope 360 point of views. I haven't used the Insta360 in a minute, so I was like, you know what, why not bring it out today and get some dope shots. It's not that windy either, so it's gonna really help. Alright, so we guys all hooked up to the camera now, so we got the mount looking good. I put these things right here because they're like wind buffeters, so it like blocks out the wind, so it just catches that crispy exhaust sound. This is how I got it set up. This is how it look. I can manage it on here, do all the settings and all that. Right now it's on 5K mode, so it looks pretty sick. So right now, waiting for the homie to come out, and then yeah. Guys, what do you guys think of the Supra, bro? Lately, I've been contemplating if I want to sell it or not. I don't know. Because I'm like, what else do I do to it, you know? Like, obviously, I can go, like, bigger turbo and all that, wide body and whoop-de-whoop. I don't know. But then the M2, you know, the M2 just came out and it looks absolutely sick. And you guys know how much I like the M2. But, you know, the Supra, bro. You just can't get wrong with the Supra. You feel me? But I don't know. What do you guys think? You think it's time I should sell it? Or should I just keep continuing the build? Because I don't know, bro. Sometimes I lose motivation on this, and then sometimes I'll get it. But lately, I've just been thinking, I don't know if I want to keep it. Like, I don't know if I even want to continue building the Supra, or if I just want to start a new build, you know? Because if I were to start a new build, I'd probably trade in the Supra for an M2, like, realistically. And then I'll start the build, and then I'll start the new build with that. So, but I don't know yet, though. I don't know. I'm not thinking anytime soon, maybe like next year or something, but or even by my birthday, who knows? But not sure yet, man. Not sure. If it makes for good content, then yeah, I see it. But if like it doesn't make for good content, then maybe the M2 will bring it. I don't know. But she looks beautiful though, bro. She look good. Also, guys, I might have to raise this side up a little bit more. As much as the Fima looks good, dude, I am eating my sidewall, bro. You guys can see that? It is just eating the sidewall. I'm like, damn, bro. I think it's like on this side. I'm not even sure. I don't think it's been rubbing lately, but it probably ate all the sidewall away. That's why. This side doesn't really rub that much. I mean, this was way before. That was from before, but now it hasn't rubbed. But yeah, man, Big G's about to come out. We're just waiting on him. And you guys know how I told you about Big G's new mod? Well, here it is. Damn, the yellow DRLs. He needs to chill. Yellow DRLs, that's food.
Fuck with it?
Yeah, they look
What
clean.
you guys think, fam? What you guys think?
They look
It
sick.
looks better though at night too. It's crazy.
I bet at
It's
night
so
it looks way
bright,
better.
bro.
That shit looks sick as fuck though. I actually like it.
Fuck with it?
Yeah.
Good looking,
The yellow like looks good with this paint too. So.
how does it look on the camera though? Does it pick it up?
Damn! Shit, that Ferrari over there. Looks menacing, bro. Look mean. She look mean. Right for Halloween too. Trick or treat.
Treat. Suck my dick.
Yo. Damn. That Audi sounded nice. I think that was an RS3. This sounded really nice. Alright, we're gonna get up out of here. Got the Insta360 connecting right now. Keeps disconnecting, but we're gonna get it connected right now. And then we should probably switch over in a bit right now. This is whack. I swear I charged it and look what it's at, 20%. Bro, I'm telling you guys I charged it and it is at 20% already. What the hell? Here about to get the car wash. I'm about to start mine right now. Big G's waiting on his stall, but you see the whip, it looking good, looking clean. Oh, he's about to go up next. It look good. Time to get the booper washed up and clean. Oh, time to soap up the rock. Time to soap it up. Look how sick that looks. Man. Alright, so now we're about to wipe down the car, get it all nice and dried up. I mean, I already got it pretty much and dried up, but we're gonna go over with a quick wax and just dry up all the wet spots that we got. Bro. Pretty much, dude.
What do you use though?
Right now, it's the same thing. I've talked to my detailer. It's the same thing,
Like
but I just don't use this side. I only use this side.
So it's not the same thing.
No, because if you use this side, the microfiber side, if you guys didn't know, it could pick up dust. Which on the other side, it won't pick it up as much as it would with the microfiber side. This side.
How much are they paying you to say all this?
All free, buddy. Had to clean the engine bay a little bit, bro. It's been dirty here, so I had to clean this and all that, get the little white down. There was a lot of water spots all over here. But now shit's looking good, bro. Damn. It always feels good to wash your own car, bro. Like, yeah, it's nice to get like a very nice detail from somebody, but to wash your own car, it's always a good feeling, bro. You feel accomplished. I just picked up some Raisin Canes for me and my little brother because we was hungry. We gotta eat. But yeah, I'm no longer with George. Hope y'all enjoyed those Insta 360 clips. I have to edit them right now. But I hope they came out sick, bro. I was shooting flames at the end. I was like, damn, bro, that shit's sick. I was trying to record on the way towards the car wash, but the battery was dead, so I had to charge it. But we got it charged, and that's why I was able to record some on the way back. But I was trying to leave for the sunset, but I was too late, so I couldn't get the sunset. Man, something bumping, bro.